Want to make these expensive ice creams at home? Try the biggest kitchen trends in India right now. Make kulfi, protein desserts, frozen yogurt, low sugar as a fun family activity. No preservatives or artificial junk, just pure flavor. First is the best all-round option for Indian homes, the Kitchenif digital ice cream maker. It is most loved by beginners to make ice cream, sorbet, and frozen yogurt easily. For protein ice creams, try the Viral X Scoop portable and rechargeable option that also makes good fruit ice creams. Just freeze, mix, churn and scoop, and within 15 minutes, relish it. For gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, try the Bite 1.1 quart ice cream maker. Pre-freeze the bowl and make professional quality soft serves at home. Easy to clean and comes with USB charging. If you've seen those satisfying rolled ice cream videos online, yes, you can make those at home with the Ritmo rolled ice cream maker. Just pour, scrape, and done. It is easy for kids to use. Next is Nostalgia 30-minute ice cream maker. The traditional design can make up to 15 pints of ice cream or gelato without ice or salt. Easy to hold and use. For multi-desserts, try the Home Basic 1.5L digital ice cream maker and make yogurt, sorbet, slushes. To make ice cream in 20 minutes, use the Cuisinart ice cream maker. Comes with double insulated bowl with 3 years warranty. Last is the traditional wood bucket ice cream maker that uses ice and salt. It comes with durable canister, plug and play style. It is quick, easy and nostalgic. If you love healthier treats, an ice cream maker might become your favorite appliance this year. Which ice cream maker is for you? Comment and share your thoughts.